Hangzhou Zone Packaging Machinery Company Limited, situated in Hangzhou, China, 1 hour from Shanghai by train, specializes in manufacturing weighing and packing machinery with 15 years of expertise. The company's team of 60 employees excels in delivering comprehensive packaging solutions, including design, production, installation, and post-sale services. ZonePack's main products are vertical and dual pack machines, jar, can fillers, multi-head weighers, and
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough